India, a land often called the cradle of spirituality. Here, thousands of years old temples stand not just as centers of faith but as massive challenges to modern engineering and science. Did you know there are temples where the laws of gravity seem to fail, or a temple carved entirely out of a single mountain from the top down? Today, we are uncovering the truth behind 5 mysterious Indian temples that leave even the world's greatest scientists speechless. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, because the last temple on our list has a secret that could change how we see history. Let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is the iconic Jagannath Temple in Puri. The mysteries here start right at the top. Usually, a flag flutters in the direction of the wind. But here, the flag always flies against the wind. Science has no explanation for this aerodynamic anomaly. But that's not all. No bird or plane has ever been seen flying over the temple dome. And perhaps the most mind-bending fact, at any time of the day, the main dome of the temple never cast a shadow on the ground. How did ancient architects achieve such mathematical precision? Next up is an engineering marvel, the Kailash Temple. Modern architects claim that building this today, even with our best machinery, is nearly impossible. Why? Because it wasn't built by adding bricks. It was carved out of a single solid basalt rock from top to bottom. Over 4 lakh tons of rock were excavated. Scientists are baffled by how 8th century builders managed such intricate carvings and a complex drainage system without a single mistake. One wrong cut and the whole temple would have been ruined. Have you ever seen a massive stone pillar hanging in mid-air? In the Lepakshi temple, there are 70 pillars, but one is world famous, the hanging pillar. This massive stone column does not touch the ground. There is a visible gap between the base of the pillar and the floor. Many researchers, including British engineers in the past, tried to move it to uncover its secret, but they failed. To this day, it remains a mystery how this heavy structure remains suspended, defying gravity. Deep in the mountains of Kangra lies the Jwala Devi temple. Here, 9 eternal flames have been burning for centuries directly from the rocks. The mystery? There is no oil, no wick, and no gas pipeline. Scientists have searched for a natural gas source beneath the temple, but found nothing. Even the Emperor Akbar once tried to extinguish these flames by flooding them with water, but the fire kept burning. Where is the fuel coming from? Science still doesn't know. Finally, the world's wealthiest temple, the Padmanabh Swami Temple. This temple contains a door known as Vault B that no one has been able to open. Legend says it is sealed with a Naga Bandham, that is serpent curse, and can only be opened by a saint chanting the Garuda mantra with perfect vibration. There are no locks, no bolts, and no keys. Scientists and explorers have tried to figure out the mechanism behind the door, but it remains shut. Many believe that forcing it open could trigger a global catastrophe. These temples are living proof that our ancestors possessed knowledge and technology that might have been far ahead of what we have today. Which of these mysteries shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more such mysterious stories. See you in the next one. Stay curious. Jai Hind.